Hey, good day everyone. Today I'm going to talk about how to build a revenue generating Shopify store in 2020 with a new strategy. Shopify stores are so flexible that it could be built for any type of business like startups, manufacturing business, third party sellers, and dropshipping businesses. And there are a lot of people who try to do things on their own. They build e commerce business, but the chances are they won't get the success they want. So, if you are about to start your e commerce business or you are already having an e commerce store and looking for a new strategy, then stay tuned with me. I will guide you step by step with my new strategy for your success in e commerce business. To build a successful and revenue generating Shopify stores, everything you are required to have is a professional Shopify agency to help you out. Now, the question is, where do you get these professionals? Well, you can find them on freelancing portals like Upwork and Fiverr. You may have a question that is there any straightforward way to get success? So let me tell you, there is no straightforward way to get any success. But let me share with you a success key that will help you and help a lot of e-commerce stores to achieve unmatchable success. And the key is BCFQS. Let me break this down for you. The B stands for branding, C stands for customer relation, F stands for faster order processing and shipping, Q stands for quality, and S stands for support. I will explain you each key point in detail, so stay tuned with me. Now, let us start with the first key point, that is branding. To create a brand, the very important thing you need to have is the logo. While designing the logo, you need to keep mind the certain things. And the first thing is the logo must represent the concept of your business. For example, if you see the logo of Amazon, it shows an arrow from A to Z which says they have the all things from your need from A to Z. The very next thing is to keep in mind is keep it simple and yet attractive, just like a logo and a logo on the Apple products. It simply gives you a premium feeling. So your logo must be simple yet attractive and should reflect the core essence of your business. Now, before you start selling your products on your store, you need to keep few things ready. And the very first thing is the outer packaging, the product label, and inner packaging design. Your product should carry the brand tags, and even the smallest piece on your packaging material should carry your brand name. The next thing is professional photography of your products. You may have visited many e-commerce websites where images of the product are very blurry, so they did not reflect anything. To reflect a perfect branding, you need to have a crystal clear photographs that should be done by the professionals. It should have a perfect background for good quality to showcase your product. To add more essence, you can also use real life models to show your clothing products, or you can use lifestyle images to showcase the electronic products. Even you can use the infographics to showcase the product features and details. I hope it's not boring for you, but my goal is to keep guiding you in the right direction for the long lasting revenue generation. And for that, you need to keep concentrating on these points. So let's move forward to the next element in the branding, and that is selecting a theme. The theme should reflect the core essence of your business. So before you select a theme for your store, you need to see the element of an e-commerce store with whom you are going to compete with. You need to check the style, the layout, and how they reflect the business in their theme. To good themes, you can check premium themes on Theme Forest and Shopify themes. You can purchase those themes from there and customize it according to your need and requirement, and which will help you to bring down some cost. Now, a lot of people ask this question, when to buy and when to use a ready-made theme and when to use a custom theme. So let me tell you, there are certain pros and cons for both of the ready-made and custom themes. A ready-made theme may save you cost and time, but they are very generalized in nature. Only use it when you have very little or no competition. Ready-made themes will give you a generalized look and feel, and also ready-made themes comes with a lot of unnecessary elements, which makes it very slow to load. Now let me see what a theme can do for you. Custom theme will provide your end user with a unique look and feel. It may cost you little higher than a ready-made theme, but when competition is higher, you need to build a custom theme that give a premium look and feel to your customer. Also, it provides you a faster loading speed as there are no unnecessary elements. Now you have chosen a ready-made or a custom theme, but before you move forward, make sure it has following elements that are fast and loading speed, flexible homepage options, flexibility in banner, images and slideshow, a good design, and a last store support. So what we can do for the speed optimization? So for speed optimization, you need to have advanced coding, super fast speed implementation, and lazy loading. Now what we can do with the flexible homepage options? So for that, you should have the ability to reorder the sections of the home page. You should have the multiple areas to spotlight your products and collection. It should have the variety of layout to add visual interest in each section, and should have tight integration of videos and images with social media. It should reflect the flexibility to animate images in the banner area. Now let's move forward to the next point, that is themes in the design. So design should have advanced header options like media and contact. It should have more flexible mega menu. It should contain multiple layout options and column configuration of pages. It should have flexible footer design containing the logo, newsletter sign-up options, forms, social media icons, and payment options. The design options like types of layout, same font family, and font size should carry uniformly across the website. So let's move forward with the last stop support. So it should have easy navigation for large number of collection. The user should be easily able to quickly navigate through the large number of collection. It should have a better layout and quick loading time. So now let's move forward, like what are the features your e-commerce store should have. So very first thing is the simplicity. As many as 70% of the online users prefers simple navigation. It must have advanced search and filter options and a better visual navigation with the wish list. You can put social media signups, newsletter subscriptions, cross-sell and upsell options, gift cards, affiliates, and product subscriptions. It must have the flexibility to promote products from backend during the special offers. You can also showcase the trending products and related items. And don't forget to put the FAQ section to provide easy answers to the very general queries of your customer. You must put the social media proof to build a trust about your products and branding. So what is social media proof? You can get the feedback from the users on social media like Twitter and Facebook, and you can put those feedbacks on your website to say what customer has to say about your products. Then you must put out the most popular payment options and a clear refund and return policy on the contact page, multiple touch points for better support. You can also integrate the shipping with the major shippers like DHL and UPS. And the last and very important point is the genuine user ratings and feedback. So these are the features you must have on your e-commerce store. So now what else we can do to attract more users and generate more revenue? For that we can use some very popular tools, and that is Shopify apps. These are very helpful will be helpful you to drive traffic towards your store and could generate good revenue for your store. You can use ready-made Shopify apps, and if it does not suit your need, then you can go with the custom Shopify apps. Let me show you some of the ready-made popular apps that can help you to generate some more revenue for you. And for membership you can use recharge. If you want to put subscription, then you can use Bolt. To gather the email IDs of the customers, you can use Pinwheel, and later on you can use this email ID to send newsletters to your customers. If you want to go with the cross selling, then you can use Reconvert, and if you want to do the upsell, then you can use LimeSpot. If you are doing the multi vendors, then you can use the Oberlo, and if you want to make the user reviews, then you can use the Wordpo. Then there are multiple languages, so for multiple languages you can use Langify. To recover the cart, you can use the push all, and there is another option like affiliate marketing. So if you want to use the affiliate, then you can use referral candy. You can find the link of all these Shopify apps in the description below, so go through that. Now you may have a question when to develop a custom Shopify app. So let's see. First of all, if you are selling products on multiple channels like retail selling, online selling, and third-party selling, then you may have a very big inventory to manage. So to manage all this from a single point, you can develop a custom Shopify app. Secondly, when you have a very large product option, then you can develop a custom Shopify app. So let me give you one example that if you are selling a mobile phone casing, and you have a single design, and there are at least thousands of mobile phone models available in the market from different companies. So you need to replicate a single design 1,000 times to launch a single design for all mobile phones. So can you make it easy? The answer is a lot more easier than you think. You can develop a custom Shopify app, upload a single design, and with a single click you can generate mobile casings for thousands of different models. How easy is that? And with a single click you can launch all these products to your e-commerce store. It is awesome. It will give you an upper edge against your competition, and it will help you to reach many folds of customer, and it will generate more revenue for you. We are moving forward to the second key point in our success key, that is C. And C stands for customer relationship. Now, how to maintain a better customer relationship with your customers? And for that you need to implement a good marketing strategy. Firstly, to keep your customer engaged with your e-commerce store, you can send newsletters to your subscribers, product promotional emails, and you can send offers and information about new product launchings. Secondly, you can use abandoned carts. Now you may have a question, what is abandoned carts? So when a user comes to your Shopify store and chooses a product, adds it to the cart, but leaves it without any checkout or payment, in such case you can remind the customer that they have added a product on the cart but did not complete the checkout. So after 24 hours, you can send a gentle reminder email to your customer. So you can also offer some discount to your offer on that product as an incentive to buy that product and complete that checkout process. For about abandoned carts, you can also use Facebook remarketing through Facebook Pixel and Facebook ads to remind your customer about the product on the abandoned cart. Sometimes while scrolling your Facebook account, you see such products which you left abandoned on the cart on any e-commerce store. So it is very effective way to remind your customer about the abandoned cart. You might see some users who have visited the product, they are very interested to buy, but somehow they didn't buy. So for that, you need to remind your user about some special discount offer or limited stock availability to discount discount coupon codes. And one thing to keep in mind is that email content should be short and unique. Another very effective tool is ad campaigns, and here I have a strategy for you. You can run multiple short budget ads for a short time, and then you can analyze which ad has got more impression and responses from the customer, and then a lot of more budget you can add for the particular ad to get more impression and responses from the customer. I have one more effective and very low budget marketing option for you, and that is affiliate marketing. You can reach multiple customers through your customers. You can also use Shopify app like a referral candidate for affiliate marketing, in which users could refer to your product uh, to their friends, family, or contacts. This kind of mouth publicity will help you to drive more and more traffic to your Shopify store and generate more revenue for you. So we are done with the second key point, and now we are moving forward with the next key point in our success key, that is F. So F stands for faster order processing and faster shipping. Now let me ask one question: is your order processing fast enough? And if your answer is no, then it's time to rethink about your order processing. You need to complete the order processing and dispatch as early as possible. It will help you to gain customer loyalty and more orders from your customers. The fourth key point in our success key is Q, and Q stands for quality. Let me ask you one more question. What will you do if your customer receive a defective product? So for that, you need to have a transparent return replacement and refund policy. And it's better to quality check your product before you dispatch it. For electronic products, you must check and verify that it's working perfectly before shipping and will reach in a perfect condition to your customer. In a case your customer receives a defective product, make sure that your customer need to suffer for that, and you should replace it as faster as possible. It will help you to build a trust in the people about your brand, and it will also gain you recurring orders and customer loyalty. To give your customer a better experience, you can employ a door-to-door system where you can collect the defective product directly from the home of your customer and replace it with the new one at the same time. Now we have reached to the last key point of your success key, and that is S, and S stands for support. You need to implement a proactive customer support strategy. You can put a real-time chat functionality on your store. You can put the contact number where the customer, if a customer feels any type of hesitation in placing orders or having any query about the new product or need assistance in product replacement or want to know about your return replacement and refund policy, so they can contact you and resolve their queries. Customer services should form the center of your e-commerce business strategy. According to the Microsoft Stat of the Global Customer Services Report for 2019, 97% of the customers says that customer services are very important to them. You can develop multiple channel level strategy. You can reach to your customer through emails, SMS, social media, and provide a real-time assistance where user can directly interact with you and resolve their queries. It will create a positive relationship between you and your customer. If possible, then offer 24/7 phone call and email support. You can also measure the customer satisfaction by asking them about the ratings and feedback at the end of the customer support. On the last note, if you want to grow your e-commerce business, provide your customers with an unrivaled experience with proper planning, strategy implementation, and some of the ideas I have detailed over here. Your e-commerce store can be a huge success by employing the success key we have provided over here. And you may have a question, how successful is our success key? So let me show you some of the dashboards of the e-commerce store which have employed our success key and what result they have got. Just see the screenshots and you can check them out in the link in the description below. In the end, I hope you have enjoyed the whole video. Please put down your question in the comment section, or you need any kind of help from us, then feel free to reach us. We'll see you again. Please hit like and subscribe. Thank you.